Jon Jones et Amanda Nunes sont les meilleurs combattants de l'histoire.
From his first fight, we've just seen domination.
Cette mention provoque souvent des débats.
To have knocked out two of the biggest names in the history of the sport. She's the best ever.
Mais les riches palmarès parlent d'eux-mêmes.
This man is regarded as the greatest mixed martial arts athlete to step foot inside that octagon.
Et ces champions sont incomparables.
The first ever female two-division champion.
Peu importe le temps passé au sommet.
And still UFC light heavyweight champion of the world, Johnny Bones Jones.
L'UFC regorge d'aspirants. L'UFC 239, présenté à la télévision à la carte, met en vedette des aspirants qui ne tiennent pas compte des louanges du passé.
Oh! She's hurt! She's hurt! Holly Holm is the new UFC bantamweight champion of the world! I'm gonna call this the greatest upset ever in UFC history.
Holly Holm a déjà réécrit l'histoire.
The first to defeat Ronda Rousey.
Et elle est prête à reprendre le titre des 135 livres des mains de la championne en titre des poids coqs et des poids plumes, Amanda Nunes.
I've done that, and I'm glad that I have the opportunity to fight for it again, because I can beat her.
Puis, le poids mi-lourd spécialiste des KO, Thiago Santos,
Oh, that's it!
émerge des profondeurs du Brésil
Santos does it again!
pour tenter de renverser le roi des 205 livres le plus polarisant de l'histoire, Jon Bones Jones.
Ninguém quer mais o Jon Jones campeão.
Thiago Santos gets another knockout victory.
Então eu vou trazer essa alegria pro público.
And he is looking towards the gold.
I'm going to do what I've always done. Finish the one who a lot of people think is going to do well.
This is vintage Jon Jones.
1, 2, 3, forward!
I am the greatest of all time, the double champion.
Nobody's gonna take this belt from me.
Holly's not gonna change anything.
I'm the best on the planet.
Ces athlètes de calibre mondial inspirent les foules. Tout en visant la perfection dans le combat. Avant qu'ils se dirigent vers Las Vegas pour la semaine internationale du combat. Entrer dans leur vie pour assister à leur camp d'entraînement. Voici maintenant le décompte vers l'UFC 239. Pendant des années, les mi-lourds forment la catégorie prédominante d'arts martiaux mixtes.
Tito Ortiz remains the light heavyweight champion. The Iceman!
Des légendes de l'UFC.
The quickest, the fastest hands. Vitor Belfort is the winner!
Sont suivis de nouveaux venus électrisants dans la catégorie.
Quentin Rampage Jackson is ready to rock the octagon for the first time.
Avec leurs puissantes mains et leurs méthodes innovantes.
Oh my God!
Ils deviennent riches et célèbres. Grâce à des combats pour le titre très médiatisés.
Everybody asks for pictures.
Jusqu'à l'arrivée de Jon Jones, qui éclipse tout le monde.
Oh! Nice spinning back elbow.
This is so creative in there.
Unlimited potential.
Champion of the world.
Stop right there. Stop right there.
He has turned exceptional fighters into mere mortals.
One shot, one breath. Slow it down, hit it hard. Heavy shots, guys, heavy shots.
Le célèbre entraîneur Greg Jackson guide le règne le plus dominant de l'histoire.
One breath, one hit. One breath, one hit. Put your body into it.
Il est le témoin direct du parcours de Jon Bones Jones.
You get to see all these phases of the career. Early on, he's fighting all of these amazing veterans. He's kind of taking the old school on, beating all those guys. Cormier and Gustafsson, he has these intense rivalries.
That might be the greatest title fight in the history of the light heavyweight division. Unbelievable. What a fight.
Perhaps maybe all the bad blood has not boiled over.
It's been a great ride, being light heavyweight champion, being a part of the UFC for so long. I've cleared out the light heavyweight division.
Jon Jones has done it! Masterfully done to cap his rivalry here with Alexander Gustafsson.
Now there's a new wave of fighters coming in, and I'm excited about it.
C'est une nouvelle ère, et les mi-lourds sont revitalisés par de jeunes espoirs.
What a fascinating addition to the light heavyweight division.
Oh!
And it's lights out! Rackage! Welcome to the big leagues!
Ainsi que des poids moyens.
He can become a factor in this 205-pound division very quickly.
En mars dernier,
the new light heavyweight contender, Anthony Lionheart Smith.
Jones entame sa lutte pour démolir une autre ère à 205 livres.
Well, for my money, Joe Rogan, this is the greatest mixed martial arts athlete we have ever seen. There are so many layers and nuances to his game.
His gifts, his mind, the way he's creative inside the octagon like no one else. He's designed for this.
Let's fight.
Every time Jones fights, he puts his status as all-time great on the line.
Front kick to the body. John's left leg is just so dynamic. He's so good at firing off shots with it. Oh! Spinning back kick to the body by Jon Jones.
Oh, that hurt him.
There's a lot of really dangerous guys that are coming up.
John's just getting off first over and over again. Oh! Spinning elbow. Beautiful spinning elbow.
And I really feel like this next chapter will be where I show the world how great I can possibly be.
Slowly but surely, he's letting them know that he's getting his ass kicked.
Oh! Violent takedown from Jones.
He's beating him up. Oh, he's hurt. Dominating him, imposing his will.
Everything Jones is throwing is hard and landing, by the way, at an 82% clip.
Just gonna enjoy this win, go back to the drawing board, and figure out ways to get better. There's a lot of young talent in the UFC. So many guys coming up, so many guys that are looking unbelievable.
Pour trouver le prochain aspirant des mi-lourds, il suffit de se tourner vers Rio de Janeiro, au Brésil. Thiago Santos est né dans les bidonvilles avoisinants. Une fois jeune adulte, il voit les arts martiaux comme un moyen d'atteindre la liberté et de connaître le succès financier.
Entenda o seguinte, toda vez que eu ando pro lado de cá, ele estica a perna de lá para defender.
Il s'associe avec l'entraîneur local, Tata Duarte, et passe du combat comme passe-temps
Boa.
au combat à temps plein.
Isso. Tempo, troca adversário, switch your partners. Ele fazia capoeira, e aí na capoeira ele já tinha trocado pro Muay Thai. Ele já tinha algumas lutas de Muay Thai, mais iniciante, né? Aí. Boa, Thiago. Botou bem o quadril. O Thiago é uma faixa preta de jiu-jitsu. Ele é grau preto de Muay Thai. E hoje é o grande Thiago Marreta.
Born and raised in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, Thiago Santos.
He's just a very skillful, very dangerous striker.
Les arts martiaux mixtes professionnels sont naturels pour Santos.
Huge body kick there, and Honey Marcus has to go down.
Et ses débuts chez les poids moyens de l'UFC sont très prometteurs.
And this fight is over.
Até a gente, no começo, assim, algumas lutas, o Thiago tinha um chute muito forte também, a gente falava que era uma marretada.
Nice kick to the body there. That is his main strength, that Muay Thai.
Big shots here. Thiago Santos.
Whether it's leg, body, or head, this guy is dangerous.
Oh! Down goes Bossy, he's out!
That was one of the craziest kick knockouts you will see in this sport.
Thiago, ele ganhou o apelido Marreta.
Only a knockout hitter, he tends to do it from long range, just like a sledgehammer. Gets the end of that thing, you are done.
Pela agressividade nos golpes que ele tinha em pé.
Oh, a spinning heel kick, and it connects! Marshman in trouble, and they're gonna stop it! Holy smokes!
Ele descia a mão, todo mundo igual uma marreta.
Heavy bombs. Oh, jeez.
Well, you wonder why this dude has a big hammer tattooed on his chest. This is why, because he can do this.
Just frightening striking.
Quando ele tá realmente marreta, você pode esperar tudo.
Thiago Santos gets another knockout victory. A huge specimen at middleweights. If you didn't know the name Marreta before tonight, you likely do now.
His fourth straight knockout. Marreta
Santos devient l'un des spécialistes des KO les plus dangereux de l'UFC aujourd'hui. Après son ascension au classement, tout en prenant du poids.
Prepara. Valendo. Largou e feint.
Sa carrure impressionnante finit par dépasser la limite de 185 livres des poids moyens.
Vamos, Thiago, vamos, Thiago, vamos, Thiago.
Santos passe donc chez les mi-moyens.
Pressão, 55 quilos, vamos.
Où il obtient rapidement un combat pour le titre contre John Jones.
Thiago Santos is dangerous with a capital D, and he loves to bang.
Eu subi para os meio pesados e não foi uma coisa que me surpreendeu, meus resultados.
He's a savage, and at 205, he's a healthy savage, and he's not cutting all that weight down to 185.
And a big left from Santos.
Eu me sinto mais veloz, a minha força também aumentou.
Slide 10 segundos, acabando, 10 segundos.
Então eu sabia que se eu começasse a acertar, os caras iam cair.
And Eric Anders looks like he is going to have a lot of trouble getting to his corner.
Mark Goddard calls it off. Thiago Santos by TKO.
Vai! Toma! Isso. Tem duas. Agressivo, Thiago.
Marreta Santos brings this unprecedented chaos that seems to be very, very difficult for anybody to control.
Santos just nods as if to say, I knew it all along.
A categoria precisa de um novo campeão. Já acabou a era de John Jones.
É o teu momento. Só vai na boa, Thiago. Você só vai na boa.
Marreta Santos. He is able to do things that not a lot of other athletes are. And he is right there looking towards the gold.
Muita gente está apostando porque acha que ele é invencível, mas eu vou provar o contrário.
Santos has the ingredients to be able to beat John Jones.
La tête d'affiche de l'UFC 239, Thiago Santos, atteint la majorité dans une banlieue de Rio de Janeiro, où règne la criminalité et où il est difficile de résister aux tentations de la vie de gang.
A infância, como todo menino de comunidade, não foi fácil. Principalmente da comunidade que eu venho, que é a Cidade de Deus. Então eu tinha esse sonho de ter o meu projeto social.
Lui-même un produit du mentorat, Santos finance un nouveau programme. Qui utilise les arts martiaux pour mieux guider les jeunes de la région.
A gente tem mais de 100 crianças. Assim, elas treinam judô, jiu-jitsu, muay thai e boxe gratuitamente.
As crianças daqui da Cidade de Deus precisam dessa ajuda. Elas precisam que alguém acredite nela. Você não só ensina arte, você ensina disciplina. Galera, vamos ajeitar o kimono, beleza? Nosso mestre está aqui.
Uma criança, um adolescente, ele está num processo de formação. tudo que vê desperta o interesse para ele. Quero desejar boa sorte a vocês aí independente do resultado, vocês vão continuar sendo os nossos campeões aqui, tá bom? Tá vendo um moleque de 15 anos com um carrão. Vamos lá, prepara. Jab direto e volta. Isso. Com uma gatinha bonita, com uma moral dentro da comunidade. 4. Uma criança vê aquilo e dentro de casa ele tem um pai que rala todo dia numa obra. 6. E tem uma dificuldade enorme para botar um arroz e feijão dentro de casa, ele vai, entendeu? De repente, para um caminho que não é o certo. Levanta a mão quem quer fazer a luvinha comigo. Mostram para esses jovens. E agora, defende. Cadê? Guarda alta, isso. Que eles podem vencer pelo caminho do bem, sem precisar pegar atalho.
Santos inspire tous ceux qu'il rencontre. Et il partage avec eux cette occasion de se battre pour un titre mondial à l'UFC 239.
Então, o Marreta ganhar esse título vai ser a realização de um sonho, né, cara? O Thiago vai criar um roteiro de uma história assim que tem que virar filme. Cria de uma comunidade carente, fez uma história na luta e tá trabalhando com um grande final, né?
Através disso, eu vou conseguir muitas outras coisas, ajudar minha família melhor, ajudar mais crianças do meu projeto. Eu tenho certeza que eu vou chocar o mundo.
Respira.
Du Brésil, un pays reconnu pour le combat, à un désert situé en hauteur, également connu pour sa culture du combat, la Jackson Wink Academy à Albuquerque fournit depuis longtemps les meilleurs pratiquants des arts martiaux mixtes.
Please keep our families safe. Please protect our city. Amen. Amen. I'm stronger every day.
There's an attitude and there's an expectation of excellence.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And it's great for me to be one of the faces of the program. A lot of great martial artists have been developed here.
So many elite fighters have matriculated here to train under Greg Jackson and Mike Winkeljohn.
And I believe we've accumulated some of the greatest coaches from around the world.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Lays down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
The coaches here are extremely good. We work really hard on setting a good culture, a positive culture. And I think that environment allows people to grow.
All day, baby.
We're all working together to make you the best you can be.
Elbows.
We're constantly feeding you new information, new ideas, working through new stuff, and I think that's one of John's secrets.
1 time.
Good job, guys. 1, 2, 3. Hard work. 4, 5, 6. Family. Woo!
Le champion des mi-lourds, John Jones, entreprend chaque combat en étant bien au fait des capacités de son rival. Mais son prochain adversaire, Thiago Santos, est une énigme plus déconcertante.
When this kid smells blood, he gets after you.
Santos is one of those wild fighters. You just never know what he's going to do.
And this guy is bad.
He spins, he bites down, he throws big hooks, he's powerful.
This kid is dangerous, he's threatening.
Very explosive, kind of scary in that sense. You don't want to just stand there and get hit by his big shots. Punishing power.
John has to be very, very well prepared to deal with that unknown element.
He has proven to be a winner in devastating fashion.
Le temps presse.
Oh, Mr. Jones.
L'équipe Jones a jusqu'à l'UFC 239 pour se préparer à cet aspirant unique.
You're up, Brandon.
Good power.
At the end of the day, I think John's experience and his skill and his technique and his defense are going to create a very explosive finish.
I hope he does come out like a wild man right off the jump. that's only going to force me to react at a faster pace. And I've always reacted appropriately, so come at me however you like.
Le champion des mi-lourds de l'UFC, Jon Jones,
There you go.
se prépare à son 3e combat pour le titre en moins de 7 mois.
Let's come back. Fast feet. Quick, 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 quick. There you go. All the way back. Just gonna go here.
Une fréquence que Jones n'a jamais maintenue dans l'UFC.
Certainly only one story in mixed martial arts right now, and that's concerning Jon Jones.
And him being away from
he was suspended from the UFC indefinitely after he was arrested for felony hit and run.
Tested positive.
15-month suspension.
You've got to be cautious and careful.
Still serving 18 months probation for a hit-and-run crash
Hopefully we get the chance to see him back in the octagon again.
N'ayant que lui-même à blâmer pour son inactivité passée,
And go.
le combattant d'expérience
Done.
se concentre sur le présent.
That's it. Punch and drive. Punch and drive. Punch and drive.
I've wasted a lot of time with out of the octagon shenanigans. And I'm just grateful to be back in the game. No drama attached to my name. To make my family, fans, team proud again.
Punch it. Punch it. Punch it. There we go.
I feel very much alive, and I just take the whole game a lot more seriously.
So face each other.
L'entraîneur de force et conditionnement Lawrence Ferreira
Grab that dowel. You'll pull, and then I'll pull. Then you
exploite pleinement la nouvelle concentration du champion.
pull. Forward. Driving forward. There it is.
Et les résultats sont évidents.
Done. Good. How you feel? Good. Overall, just the consistency of seeing Jon and being able to work with him. One, and go.
Come on.
The improvement from camp to camp has been off the charts. Done.
Bravo.
Especially speed. I mean, he's already fast, and so to be able to see it improve more is awesome. Good. Right. Good work. Never set it back to the floor every time. There we go. 8 reps.
Now that I've lost all the distractions, I really get to get back to my original goal, which is being focused on greatness.
Forward to the hips. Good. That's it. There we go.
That's what I'm trying to do. Take down the biggest names possible, the most lethal men across the planet. Boy, what a job I had.
La tâche de repousser les hommes les plus dangereux au monde se poursuit pour Jon Jones à l'UFC 239 à Las Vegas. Où il affrontera le principal spécialiste des KO de la catégorie, qui a été attiré par le combat à un jeune âge, par un célèbre combattant du grand écran.
Eu cresci assistindo o filme do Rambo. O Rambo fazia tudo, né? Pilotava helicóptero, saltava de paraquedas. Era aquele soldado completo. Eu queria ser um soldado sinistro também, tipo Rambo, assim.
À 18 ans, Thiago Santos s'enrôle dans l'armée brésilienne à titre de parachutiste dans la brigade aérienne. Il acquiert alors la détermination inébranlable qu'il incarne aujourd'hui.
Muito orgulhoso de ser paraquedista e eu levo para sempre. Tanto é que nas minhas lutas eu entro com a minha medalha de paraquedista.
Thiago Santos, former military paratrooper here in Brazil.
É aquele algo a mais. O paraquedista, ele que a gente chama de Shivung. Alguns seres humanos descobrem que você já está desgastado e seu corpo não aguenta mais. A maioria dos seres humanos, ele acham que ali é o fim, mas não é. Você ainda tem 30% a mais.
A big moment here for Santos as he reverses.
O paraquedista, ele não precisa desse estímulo, ele se descobre, ele descobre isso.
Esses anos de militar que ele teve aí, né, cara, fizeram realmente ele ser um cara muito disciplinado.
Very disciplined guy. His training, his diet, everything is in order. Everything is done with precision.
O Thiago, ele leva o negócio como se fosse uma missão.
and he is known for a massive left leg with punishing power.
O UFC me entregou uma missão e eu tenho que resolver essa missão aqui, como se fosse defendendo o Brasil. Movimenta.
Le parcours de militaire brésilien aspirant au titre de l'UFC culminera à l'UFC 239 pour Santos lors de la finale de la soirée contre John Jones, qui a aussi de l'expérience et qui demeure calme devant le danger.
Thiago Santos, I actually respect him a lot. He's doing the military thing and just being a stand-up person. He seems like a pretty respectable guy. But he's my opponent, and it's my job to destroy him.
Would you lay your life down? Would you give an arm or leg?
What's going on right now is he's realizing why John Jones is the best light heavyweight of all time.
I see myself just outclassing him in the kickboxing department, getting a takedown, and finishing the fight on the ground.
He has done that over and over and over again against the best light heavyweights on the planet Earth.
Well, here's a knockout artist from Brazil who has been on an absolute tear.
Comigo, onde ele colocar a luta, eu vou bater nele.
We cannot underestimate the power that this man has in every single thing that he throws.
Então ele vai sentir dor como nunca sentiu antes.
You think you're out of harm's way, you are not.
Oh my God! John Jones has done it!
Wow.
I'm one of the most versatile light heavyweights in martial arts history, but this is my fight to win.
Yeah, this is bombs away, ladies and gentlemen. Don't go for popcorn.
La demi-finale de l'UFC 239 met en vedette la meilleure combattante de l'histoire.
This is one of the most dominant champions we have in the entire UFC.
Une double championne dont le palmarès est incontestable.
Amanda Nunes is a savage.
Pendant sa violente campagne, Amanda Nunes bat des pionnières comme Miesha Tate.
She's got her back! She's tapping! We have a new women's bantamweight champion of the world.
Ronda Rousey.
Flawless, stunning performance by Amanda Nunes.
Et la championne en titre des poids mouches, Valentina Shevchenko.
No one hits harder in this division than her.
Après avoir démoli tous les adversaires poids coq.
Nobody's gonna take this belt from me.
The finish is gonna come here.
I'm the best on the planet.
La Lioness tourne son attention vers une nouvelle ceinture dans la catégorie supérieure. Le titre des poids plumes appartient à Chris Cyborg. Auparavant invaincu pendant plus de 10 ans.
Chris was like the best champion.
She really is the most feared woman in the history of the sport.
Strong, powerful, defeat her opponent by KO.
Chris Cyborg!
If you don't have a strong mind, you're really scared of her. But I knew when I connect, I would knock her out.
Le super combat chez les femmes est présenté à Los Angeles et Nunes saisit l'occasion d'acquérir un statut emblématique.
Here we go, folks. So after 3 successful title defenses down at 135 pounds, Amanda Nunes is moving up and trying to carve out a piece of UFC history here tonight. And prevailing wisdom is, despite all that Nunes has accomplished, it is going to take a Herculean effort here tonight for her to beat Chris Cyborg.
I think the key to victory for her is going to be getting Chris Cyborg's respect. She's got to connect, and she's got to hurt her. Plus, she needs to be perfect. She needs to be at her very best, because she's dealing with a woman who's terrifying.
The women's super fight is upon us.
Amanda Nunes has deceptively long punches. She catches you at the very end of them, and she's got serious power. Whoa! They're getting after it.
Oh! Nunes! She traps Cyborg!
Oh!
Cyborg's hurt!
She's hurt bad!
Oh! Amanda Nunes! Cyborg nearly out on her feet! Oh! Amanda Nunes! Shoots Chris Cyborg out cold! No way! Amanda Nunes has
comes. First round KO by Amanda Nunes like that. Wow.
And can lay claim to being the greatest women's mixed martial artist of all time.
100%. She's the best ever to have knocked out Ronda Rousey in the first round and Chris Cyborg in the first round. Two of the biggest names in the history of the sport. She's incredible.
Après une performance qui crée une onde de choc dans le monde des arts martiaux mixtes, la première et seule championne dans 2 catégories de l'UFC célèbre la victoire à sa façon. Là où le talent inné d'Amanda Nunes a été découvert pour la première fois.
I used to live in a small city in Pojuca.
Rapaz, você tá bem pra caramba. Do mesmo jeito que eu deixei você gostar, velho. Na moral.
That was where everything started.
Todos vocês aqui que eu sei que acompanham o UFC, acompanham todos os atletas que estão despontando hoje no UFC, só tenho a agradecer. E vamos comer, né? Pode ir.
After all my fights, I have to go back home. I have to see my sister, my friends, see my old coaches.
Nossa, uma surpresa para todos nós. Aí colocou esse aulão maravilhoso aí para relembrar, trazer a galera das antigas.
Oi, alô gente, bom dia! Sejam todos bem-vindos, tanto atletas como vocês convidados, povo pojucano, quem é de outras cidades que vieram aqui visitar a gente.
Isso aqui é tudo mesmo pra Pojuca. É a minha forma de retribuir a cidade, o que a cidade fez por mim quando eu comecei.
It's always good when you share those moments because they find my talent, you know, they believe in me since day one.
Isso é muito importante, essa divulgação no mundo inteiro, né? Daqui dessa cidade humilde, simples, ter boa vontade e estar no mundo inteiro. Então, parabéns, Amandinha. Que Deus ilumine, continue sempre aí crescendo, seja um dia sempre para todos nós. Um evento como esse aqui na cidade de Pojuca é importante porque mostra a humildade de Amanda. Por ser campeã do mundo, 2 cinturões, né? Bicampeã, não deixou que a vaidade superasse a sua humildade. É muito bom ter uma campeã nascida pela gente.
Joga a mão pra cima e dá um gritão pra Amanda Leão aí, na moral. Nossa campeã representando Pojuca, representando o nosso interior pro mundo.
I always remember what my coach told me, you're gonna be something big, believe. Now, when I walk in that city, see the place that I trained for the first time in Jiu-Jitsu, that is amazing, you know?
Nunes a maintenant battu toutes les femmes à avoir détenu la ceinture des poids plumes ou des poids coqs de l'UFC. Sauf une.
Oh, she's hurt! She's hurt! Oh my God!
La victoire surprise d'Holly Holm contre Ronda Rousey en 2015.
Absolutely spectacular performance by Holly Holm.
La propulse au sommet du monde des arts martiaux.
We saw her rise to the occasion in a truly spectacular way. Holly Holm, what a champion.
Même si elle perd la première défense de son titre, cette défaite contre Miesha Tate lance un échéancier qui mène Holm et Nunes à leur combat pour le titre des 135 livres à l'UFC 239.
What a dominant victory by Amanda Nunes. She busted Miesha Tate up and finished her off.
Miesha got the belt, and then as soon as Nunes got it from Miesha, I kind of felt she would have the belt for a while. And I thought, you know what, I hope she does because I want to be able to go back and get it from her.
S'entraîner pour la demi-finale de l'UFC 239
As soon as I feel his chin, this arm swings around, guys.
est la routine pour l'entraîneur-chef Greg Jackson.
So this comes up like this, guys. At the same time, I'm gonna roll my scapulas back and lift with my legs.
Let's do it.
qui sait parfaitement comment préparer Holm à une adversaire dangereuse.
Keep those elbows in, Holly, and get her serious. She's a little low, get her right below your chest. Amanda Nunes is the best female fighter in the world right now, right? She's beat Cyborg, she has all the titles, so naturally that's who Holly would want to fight. You're making a step that you don't need to make, Holly. Because she's up like this, it's almost like you're going to give her back reach for it. Yeah, do it again. Holly's not a person that's afraid to go after #1. She pretty well chases it down. There you go. That's much better. Now you're gold. You don't have to 3/4. Yeah, drive her toward me. Just bump her off. There you go. Boop, boop, boop. Down she goes.
Holm affronte constamment les meilleurs adversaires disponibles dans sa mission pour reprendre une ceinture de l'UFC. Le parcours difficile inclut des résultats mitigés dans des campagnes chez les 145 livres, dont un combat en carte principale contre l'ancienne championne des poids plumes d'Invicta, Megan Anderson.
A former member of the Australian Army, here is the Gold Coast's Megan Anderson, a picture of composure and focus.
That's a legitimate 145-pound Invicta champion. And she has momentum on her side. 4 wins by knockout, all in a row in her last 4 fights. So she's streaking right now, a ton of physical skills. The question is, can she come forward and be aggressive? Holly Holm's a great counterpuncher. She can't fall for that.
I mean, you're talking about a woman in Holly Holm who's an 18-time boxing champion, kickboxing experience, UFC bantamweight champion. I mean, she's fought everybody, man.
Ready to fight? Let's go!
There is a big difference in size. She is so long. Oh, there's a nice front kick. Look at this. Look at this. She gets it. Boom. Oh, 2 big shots by Holly from the top. Elbows, elbows. Oh, big elbow by Holly. And another one, and another one. Nasty ground and pound by the former bantamweight champion. In fact, she's the #1 contender in the bantamweight division.
Le combat chez les poids plumes de Holm est l'un de ses meilleurs, mais sa grande performance lui sert de rappel du Grand Prix qu'elle convoite le plus.
She's really the only real dangerous fight right now for Amanda Nunes.
Another takedown.
I mean, that was about as one-sided a fight as you're ever going to see. You proved once again that you're one of the very best women's MMA fighters on the planet. Is this your division, or is 135 your division? You don't have a hard time making 135.
My 135-pound belt, that's dear to me. I want it back.
L'or des poids coqs est prêt à être conquis lors du combat pour le titre de Holm contre Nunes à l'UFC 239.
To get the bantamweight belt back for Holly is super important because it will show everybody that she's the real deal, she's the real champion, and I think it cements her legacy as one of the best female fighters to ever walk the planet.
Getting to fight for the very belt that I've had before, I want that back on my waist, and I'm gonna win.
All right, guys and gals, that looks good. Let's get our mouthpieces in.
Deux combats pour un titre mondial sont en tête d'affiche de l'UFC 239 à Las Vegas. Ils mettent en vedette 2 coéquipiers de longue date de la Jackson Wink Academy qui ont contribué à amener le programme à de nouveaux sommets.
I got the jalapeno burger with no bun and a side salad.
L'aspirante au titre des poids coqs, Holly Holm.
I don't mind the bread, but I already had toast for breakfast.
Et le champion des mi-lourds, John Jones.
Can I do a holy cow burger without the bun? Holly and I have been friends since the very beginning, since I joined the team. Holly's always been like a big sister to me and an inspiration to me and a team leader. And I'm honored to be able to fight on the same card as her. It's going to be a really big night for all of New Mexico. Screw the interview. How about that? That's power right there. See that? No carbs, low carbs.
There's people that come and go, and then there's some that become family. And so these people truly care about what I do and truly support what I do. So there's a different kind of bond and a different kind of connection with them. Oh, whose fries are those?
I don't know whose those fries are. I don't know.
I don't either. If you guys don't know, then I'm gonna try one.
I ordered a salad.
It's inspiring and motivating every day to work with these amazing people. Like, how can you not be motivated? How can you not be focused? How can you not want to help them achieve greatness?
you know what? Every single person at this table is great. Yep. And the way we're able to put our egos down and to get together and put our heads together. And then Greg, Yoda, comes and says, well, I like this, and Wink's like, all right, I like this. And Greg and Wink kind of make the final decision.
L'approche de l'entraîneur Greg Jackson comporte toujours une planification méticuleuse du plan de combat. Il élabore un plan pour que Holly Holm batte la puissante double championne Amanda Nunes.
Oh! Amanda Nunes knocks Chris Cyborg out cold! Oh! You did it! She did it! She did it! Unbelievable!
Et le met en œuvre avec l'aide de l'entraîneur de coups portés, Mike Winklejohn.
Amanda's tough. She's got a lot of knockouts on her record. But this is going to be a totally different fight than she's ever faced.
Feel pretty good about maybe throwing a 1-2. Yeah. Are you like just 2 or just 1-2? Boom, 1-2 leg kick, middle school numbers. Yeah, okay. Let's go. 2-3-2.
Shush!
2-3-2, go.
Shush!
Hit what you see, hit what you see, go.
Hush! 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 Hush!
You're gonna see Amanda trying to figure out the space, trying to find a way to land a big shot. And Holly's gonna slice her and dice her with the elbows quite a bit that people haven't seen, so that's exciting.
Oh
my God, go.
Good,
Go left leg over the top, go. Good kick, Holly, go. Look for Holly to take her out of her comfort zone, make her not successful where she's used to being successful, and get kind of irritated about it and fold.
Nice.
Pour chaque grande ville du Brésil, on compte plus de 350 municipalités isolées. Par chance, pour la petite ville de Pojuca, l'héroïne locale continue de donner en retour.
Oi, meu amor. Tudo bom? Obrigada a você, viu? Obrigada. I decided to go back there to do something good for somebody. And I grew up play soccer with my friends.
Torneio Feminino de Futebol Amanda Nunes. Realização apoio Prefeitura Municipal de Pojuca.
I did a beneficial soccer tournament. Eu comecei no futebol, com todo mundo, com todos que estão aqui. Então acho que esse é um momento muito importante. Vamos se divertir, né? Vamos brincar.
Uma pessoa que tem destaque internacional representa muito e um orgulho para o pujucano. A semente que floresceu e está dizendo ao pujucano, você, pujucano, também pode ser vitorioso.
En plus de recueillir des dons pour la ville, le tournoi de soccer féminin Amanda Nunes donne l'occasion aux dépisteurs d'observer les talents locaux prometteurs. La poipaille de l'UFC et fiancée de Nunes, Nina Ansarov, a contribué à l'organisation du tournoi de 2 jours.
You know, we were thinking, like, let's do something in her hometown, but let's stay away from, like, MMA. That's all we do. Like, let's try something else. We both play soccer, so we came up with the Soccer Cup, and, you know, it worked out, and it's great to see a lot of people show up for it.
Futebol feminino tem que virar igual o futebol masculino, entendeu? Hoje eu moro nos Estados Unidos e eu vou assistir o time lá fora jogando, velho. O suporte que a galera tem lá, as meninas têm lá, é surreal.
E agora a gente vai pra cobrança. E agora a luta. Partiu, bateu!
Então o Brasil, porra, com o talento, todas as meninas aqui jogando o talento que a gente tem, pô. Por que ninguém vem assistir, entendeu? A gente vai mudar isso, pode ter certeza, eu tô aqui pra isso. Vamos juntas. Nossa! Irado, viu, velho? Que energia na...
Nunes et Ansarov reviennent toujours aux États-Unis pour le camp d'entraînement à la American Top Team. Leur histoire a commencé ici, en Floride du Sud, quand elles se sont rencontrées alors qu'elles étaient de jeunes professionnels qui avaient des difficultés.
Back then was right after I lose my fight, Nina lose her fight, and we decided to make some changes. And the first thing was try to find a new gym.
There was a couple other gyms in the area, but we came here, we gave it a try. You know, it exceeded our expectations of where we would go from here, how happy we actually became, the environment, the people that were here, and like things have only gone up since.
You know, I dedicated my whole life to martial arts because I have something inside my mind tell me like I would be something big, and I believe in that voice. I keep moving forward, give everything that I had every day in the gym, and now I'm here.
Maintenant bien établie comme la meilleure combattante de l'histoire, Nunes se remet au travail pour l'UFC 239. Où elle affrontera l'ancienne championne Holly Holm pour la ceinture des poids coqs.
Well, she's really the only real dangerous fight right now for Amanda Nunes. But Nunes is just such an assassin.
Puis, pour couronner le plus gros événement d'arts martiaux mixtes de l'année.
What you see with John is unprecedented talent.
Place à la finale, plus grande que nature.
There's a big difference. She's studying tape and then being inside the octagon with this guy.
Alors que le champion des mi-lourds, John Jones,
Hector Santos has the ingredients to be able to beat John Jones.
Affrontera Thiago Santos.
We cannot underestimate the power that this man has in every single thing that he throws. Oh my goodness!
And Santos just nods as if to say, I knew it all along.
Voici ce qui vous attend à l'UFC 239, dans la capitale mondiale du combat.
Everyone should be on the edge of their seats.